Ready to unlock a whole new world of anime right on your Google TV? Let's dive into how to watch your favorite shows, step by step. First things first, power on your Google TV and make sure you're connected to the internet. This is crucial for streaming all that awesome anime. Next, head over to the apps section. You can usually find this on the home screen or in a dedicated apps menu. Use your remote to navigate. Now, the fun begins. Search for popular anime streaming apps like Crunchyroll, Funimation, or Netflix. Many offer extensive anime libraries. Let's install Crunchyroll as an example. Select the app and hit install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. This might take a minute, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one. Start browsing the vast selection of anime titles. Want to watch something from your phone? Most streaming apps have a cast icon. Simply tap it, select your Google TV device, and enjoy anime on the big screen. For the best viewing experience, tweak your Google TV's display and audio settings. Experiment with resolution, color settings, and sound modes to find what you like best. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy endless hours of anime on your Google TV. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment with your favorite anime. Happy watching!